Hello makers, and welcome to the fourth day of the 12 Days of Christmas with Stitchery. I'm Catherine Harris, and today I thought we would make these really cute sleigh ornaments. So let's get started. For materials, we're going to need a wooden sleigh, some wood stain of your choice, white chalk paint, a greenery pick and berries, and some hot glue. Now for the sleighs, you can either choose to make them yourself and glue them together. They're quite easy to do, or you can buy them at a local hobby shop. Now I am using some stain, so you notice that I am using a paintbrush as opposed to a cloth and then wiping it off. I actually like the look of how the stain gives it kind of a rustic feel when I don't wipe it off. I tried it both ways and I actually really enjoy the way it looks this way. I only did one coat of the stain on all of the sleighs, and just make sure you get all of the nooks and crannies and the undercoat of the ornament. So you can see there is the stain that I am using in a natural oak. And now we're going to use the chalk paint. So I am using a wide bristle brush and then giving a generous coat of the chalk paint along the top of each of the sleighs. And I'm making sure that it's even and getting all of the sides, because I think that looks a little nicer to paint the sides than to leave it with the stain. Now I did go in and do 3 coats, letting each coat dry in between applying the next coat. So once all of that is dry and the coat is as you like, we're going to start adding some greenery picks. So for this sleigh, I decided to do some big and bold greenery arrangements. So I got a nice big flocked greenery, and I'm going to add that with a generous bead of hot glue along the side here, and just going in to secure it just a little bit more. And then I thought a full-size pine cone would look really nice on this, and I chose one that was frosted with a little bit of glitter. So put a very generous bead of glue along the pine cone, and then I'm just going in to fill in some of those nooks and crannies to ensure that the pine cone stays. Next, I wanted to add a couple pops of color. And so for this color palette, I am choosing a lot of naturals with pops of red from holly berries. So I'm going in and I'm placing some individuals in, as well as some clusters. And you can add as little or as much of these as you like. And just keep adding until you think it looks good. And I find each one of the sleighs that I make is just slightly different, which adds to the artisan flair of it. There you have it. That's our first sleigh. I thought I'd also show you what the second sleigh looks like. So I wanted this one to be a little bit more simplistic. So I chose some less robust greenery pieces and added in a few holly berries here and there. And there you have it. These sleighs were a really fun project to make. It was nice to change things up and do a little bit of painting as well. So if you like this video, please give it a nice big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing down below. Merry Christmas, makers, and until next time, let's get our Sew-Spiration on.